Hi, I'm Chef Kelly English, and I am here with the most versatile grill you can get. This is a tabletop hibachi and griddle set from Ash Ember. I'm going to walk you through every part of what you can do with this, from grilling to griddling to anything you want to do. It's a really cool thing. Come check it out. I'll show you all the parts. We've got this neat little tool here to help you pick up everything, mostly when it's hot, but I'm going to do it when it's cold too. You've got your grill right here. I'm going to put that to the side. And then this is your griddle. And you may be wondering, well, what happens to all the grease when it comes off of the griddle? I'll show you that too. There is a nifty little grease catcher that goes around the inside of it here. Now, whether you're using the griddle or the grill, you're going to want to keep this in to make sure everything fits. Inside of that, we have just a little bit of a platform for our coals that we're going to put in here. You can use this with charcoal. You can use it with wood. I like to use it with charcoal. Also, on the front of this, there is a nice little place that you can control the airflow going in. If you want to make sure your grill is the right temperature, you need it a little bit hotter, open this guy up. You want to close it up to cool it off, cut off the airflow. Simple as that. Our coals are hot and ready to go. I'm going to put them right on top of this platform with holes in it. Now the holes are there for a purpose. Kind of like at the bottom that we just talked about, this thing that opens and closes. The holes will let air come through there. So you can control, again, the temperature of your heat in a lot of different ways with this thing. Now that we've got our hot coals in here, I'm going to go ahead and put our grease pan in. And then right on top of that, I'm going to put our griddle. Now we want to let this get nice and hot before we use it. I've got some shrimp right here, and I'm going to put this grill on later, have a little bit of fun. We've got some shrimp right here that I have sitting in just a little bit of olive oil. All I'm going to do is move these around, make sure that they get nice and coated in oil before we put them on that grill. And I'm going to toss them just in a little bit of salt. You can put whatever you want on it. Really, the end of cooking is up to you. The flavors that you want to put on food is up to you. Always start with salt. I just put this griddle on and it's hot already. It does not take long. We've got some shrimp that we just sat in a little bit of olive oil, and I've got some salt on there. This griddle is domed a little bit, and there's a great reason for that. It's to make the grease drip to the side so you don't make a mess in your house or on the outside. I'm going to put these shrimp right on top. And you can hear them sizzle already. And all of the oil I have on here, I'm watching it run down the sides. This grill and this griddle is designed for speed, meant to develop flavor really quickly and really deeply. These are great for smaller cuts of meat, little pieces of short rib that you want to eat, and maybe a Korean style, shrimp like this, small pieces of fish. Heck, you could cook a fried egg on top of this thing. These shrimp are done, so we're going to take these guys off, and we're going to put the grill on. We're going to cook some hot dogs. One of the great things about this grill is while it's still hot, you can just wipe it clean. We took our griddle off and we have our grill on, and we're going to cook one of what everyone's favorite thing is to eat. Hot dogs. Actually, hot dogs are one of the things that made me want to be a chef when I was a kid, because I hated microwave hot dogs and I loved grilled hot dogs. And it's those little differences that change your food. So we're going to put these dogs right on top of this grill. We're going to make some nice grill marks on it. Remember, we have left the grease tray in here to make sure it fits. But we're going to put some nice marks on here, and then we're going to eat some diggity dogs. And now we wait. The great thing about these hibachi grills, these tabletop hibachi grills from Ash Ember, is you can cook the things you want to cook without getting a ton of charcoal going. Like, this is a really efficient way to get great food onto your plate. Great color right here on these dogs. I'm going to take them off. I love this little grill right here. You can see all the heat that it puts out. So you can cook small things quickly. You can put nice sears on things. You can cook all the things that people love, all the things I love. And I do love a hot dog. And I hope you enjoy your grill from Ash Ember.